painting. Welcome back to the channel. This time around we're going to get to the more cosmetic side of it. We're actually going to be painting this thing. I'm super excited. I've been trying to get all the supplies I need. I think I can need like maybe one or two more things, but I have enough to get started now. So I have the colors, I have the graphics that I want. So we're gonna get this thing an old school paint job. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and get the tank and the fender off. I might paint the sissy bar. I'm not entirely sure. I'll see it. Yeah, we'll see how it looks. Okay, got the tank off the bike, and I've already kind of skipped ahead on a few things. Basically, all I did was I drained whatever fuel was in there, took the gas cap off, and I just been sanding it down, trying to get a lot of that surface rust off. But now we are going to go have a pretty nice little divot on this side, so we're going to do some body work, and then we'll get the sanding, and hopefully I get to prime it today before I have to go to work. Alright, after some technical difficulties, had to get new body filler because apparently it does expire. So I've already skipped ahead on a lot of stuff. I'm sorry, I just get caught up in stuff. But anyway, body filler on, primed, sealed, cut black down. Now we're going to hit it with some sparkle. Oh. Let's see, hopefully this okay, let that sit for a while. Then we'll hit it with at least two more coats. And yeah, I'll get back to you when we're done. So I should apologize. During this whole video, and it's sort of my fault too, I get really into stuff and I just forget to hit record. So I really did gloss over a lot of things. So that's my fault. I'm still getting used to this whole YouTube stuff. So, but basically where we left off was I did get some photos, fortunately. So basically what I did right when I left off was I did two more coats of the sparkle, and then masked off the graphics, and then I hit it with the candy. We're doing a candy red. I think it's like candy apple, whatever. Then let that dry, hit it with 3 more coats of clear, and basically where you're at right now. So again, that's my fault. I apologize. I'm still learning again, and trying to be better. It's just, again, when you get into the work, you just want to do the work. And but yeah, that's my fault. So anyway, I'm gonna time jump again, unfortunately, to when I do the pinstriping, and then do the opposite masking. Then we're going to do the other color. So here we go. Alright, so we're back. Clear coat's dry, sanded it down, 600 grit. Now we're doing the pinstripe. We're doing a gold pinstripe on here. So it's a candy yellow gold. And yes, it's I'm going with a apple red with the white and gold pinstriping. So I think this is going to look real good on the bike. Right now we're just doing the gold pinstriping using my handy little Harbor Freight airbrush here. I'm just gonna I've already done one coat, so now we're doing a second coat, really get that spark, that gold to shine. Okay, here it is after masking. It is still very wet. I don't want to really touch it, but you can, this is the look. And if you look closely, you can see the gold pinstripe came out pretty nice. So wait for this to dry. Then we'll put on some clear coat. And then gotta put another coat of clear on the roof. And then yeah, just about done with the paint. All right, last coat. Let this dry, and yeah, now we're gonna work on the side covers. Okay, so I want to start on the side covers right now. I already stripped the paint off as best as I can. This one I'm having to do some repairs on the inside. So I got some fiberglass and some epoxy resin going on in there. And in case you're wondering why I am not just gonna buy new ones, it's because these brand new are still like 75 bucks, and I really don't want to pay that much for them. So we're gonna fix them. We're gonna repaint them. So we gotta wait for the epoxy to dry on this one. Hit it with some Bondo, get that straightened up. But I can go ahead and start on this one. So yeah, let's go ahead and just lay down some primer and see how it looks. Okay, let's hit this with some primer. Make sure I get it all. Okay, so we're gonna let that dry, do a few more coats of that, and we'll go from there. Okay, so got these primed and put the first coat of black on. Now the black is not the actual color we're going with. We're actually going to be doing the chrome. Now I know that sometimes if you use like chrome spray paint, it just don't look as good, but I'm going to try a trick that so far it works for me. So the thing is with chrome paint, it's a reflective, very reflective paint, and it needs a dark background to sit on for it to actually shine better. So best way to do that is do a gloss black first, then hit it with the chrome. Basically, the glossier the black, the better, because it's going to get that nice dark background for the chrome to shine through. And then, of course, we're going to be putting a nice clear coat on this, so it should shine even more. But who knows? Like I said, this is not a show bike, but at least we're trying out here. Okay, here it is. Got some clear coat on, and yes, it does look a little dull right now because the clear coat's still wet, but I'm pretty sure once the clear coat fully dries, that chrome will shine through and really let it sparkle. But if not, I really don't care. It was just needed to do something with them. Needed to fix that one anyway. So, like I said, it's not a show bike, but you know, I'm having fun doing this, so that's all that matters. All right, let's go ahead and get this going. All right, well, I kind of fast forward on some stuff. Like I said, I'm just really trying to get this stuff finished. Main reason is because, what is it? Towards the end of May, got a bike trip coming up, going to Arkansas. So I'm just trying to rush, get everything done and ready. But paint's done. So here's the final product. And there she is. All nice and shiny. I haven't even washed it yet. And it looks good. I gotta get that angle. Bam! Oh, that looked good. Oh, yeah. Like I said, it's not a show bike, but it'll still turn a head or two. Okay, well, that's the paint done. And with that, that's gonna be the end of the video. Just gotta button up some stuff, just reconnect everything, plug everything back in. I guess next time we're gonna do next video we're just gonna do like some tune-up stuff, just get it ready for trip to Arkansas in May. So hopefully y'all stick around and watch me monkey around some more. But anyway, like the video, leave a comment, share the video with all your friends. And again, I apologize for having to let y'all wait for so long. It's just with paint like that takes a long time. So anyway, like I said, that's going to do it. So see you next time.